Alrighty guys, just want to do another quick video here. This is my 1978 Ford F-250. Basically, I'm having some running light issues. I'm now fixing said issues. Basically, what's going on is none of the running lights work, turn signals, nothing. I'm going to show you what I found. So basically, the connector for this goes into the marker light or turn signal light, whatever. These wires get worn out. This wire right here is the ground. And so basically the previous owner took a wire from the body, drilled a hole into the connector until it pushed far enough down to where it made connection with that ground pin. I really don't like the idea of that, so I'm just going to wire in a new connector, which if I can get it out of my freaking hand, bam, new OE connector, wired in, splice, basically take these two grounds here, since I know this ground here is right down to the body, and this is the factory ground. I'm just going to splice these two together, because why not, and rewire the connector, and so far, I've done that for that light, that fender light, and the tail lights. So if you're having issues like that, I would check that ground wire, and most of the time that's the issue, because seriously, if I just pull on that wire a little bit, oh look, my light's out. And, oh yeah, there it goes. So yeah, that's pretty much the issue I'm having.